Good morning, guys. Today we're going to see an architect today, somewhere on the island of Rarotonga, but I don't know where he is, but we're going to go and find it. It's not far from Muri. Muri is about 10-15 minutes away from here, I think. Could be wrong, but anyway, I'm allowed to give you a figure of what time. Anyway, my mum's just getting up. She lost her glasses last night, and OMG, she was moving everything around. Everything from dressing tables to beds to everything. Don't know where she gets the strength from, because when I went to put it back, it was heavy. Anyway, she eventually found it. Where it was in my husband's side of the bed, was on his dresser, and I thought, OMG, did she think that was her bed, and went and put her glasses there and went to lie down and go to sleep. I think that's what she did. Because I was asleep on the single bed. Out here in the living room, they have the single bed out in the living room in case you have an extra person, right? And that one over there, she went and found her own bed, and she went to sleep, even though she's got her own room and her own bed. No, she wanted other people's bed as well. Anyway, I looked like an Indian when I did that. Anyway, I gotta let you go. Someone's here. Bye. Good morning, guys. So we're here at the palace. We've come here to get some lunch. So I got some fish and chips, and a hot dog on a stick. And here's my mama, Maria. Say hello. We'll be filming after when we're eating, okay? Oh, not really, because I've only got a tripod, but I didn't bring my stand. Okay, it's a banging noise. There guys, this is what I wanted to show you. So I got me a hot dog on a stick, okay, and fish and chips and a little salad. My mom has already started eating. I'm at it. Hello. Hello. Never fail. And someone's busy eating. Anyway, we're at the palace, guys, having some tea. Me and my mama, and our fish and chips, and our lemonade. Okay, guys, better get to it. Better have our feed. Better have our lunch. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, bucket of chips. You want some coleslaw? Sharing is caring. Okay. This is good, guys. Okay, bye. Mariana. Okay, bye. Hi guys, here in town. Trying to look for something for my granddaughter. Something for her to like and possibly wear. Not just for that moment. Grandma's money is going on out, you know, that in Savannah. What if I buy her a shirt? These are nice shirts. What sizes do they go up to? I wonder if they go up to 4 large. Oh, have a look. Oh yeah, Cook Island made in Thailand. Excellent. Nice shirts though. What do you guys think? Nice shirts. How much are they? $39. That'll be nice. $39 tala. $39 tala. That's a nice shirt. Where's for Louisa? Yeah. Oh, I like this fabric. I like this fabric. Yeah. I like this fabric. That's $21.90. I'm gonna look for a yellow rubber. Orana. Hello. Oh, this black and white one's nice. What do you guys think? Oh, my bag is going to chop my shoulders off. It's so heavy. Yeah, that's it. That's what you want to hear. Okay, what's this one? I really like the black and white one. Okay, I'll get the yellow one. Sharon Lee. This is a nice one. Oh yeah, I'll get this one as well. Oh yeah, that's good. I happen to want that. Okay, so just grab me. What's this one? What is it, butterfly? Yeah. Maybe those three. I wonder if the patterns all the same. Is it all the same pattern? Looks like a koala bear. No, not a koala, panda. Okay. Okay, grab these. So I'm just going to grab these. That's enough. Oh, I said I wasn't going to buy anything. These are nice, isn't it? Yeah, that's nice. And this one, yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, you pay over here. Oh my god, so busy for Damien. Okay. Okay, I think I'll get a double large of this one. Okay, I'm such a midget, I gotta get someone. Can I have a double large and I can't reach it, too short. Please. This one, yes please. Thank you very much. No, that's it. Thank you very much. Oops. That's for my son. Oh yeah, okay. Thank you. Okay guys, I'm going to pay for it, okay? Okay guys, I got my shopping. $98 gets me 3 ear love lovers, Cook Island ear love lovers, and a Cook Island singlet, because I wanted to get it from my son. Okay, so I better get back to my mother and my driver, because they've been waiting. But anyway, I'm not getting much shopping this time around because we only bought a carry-on. So yeah, Cook Island. This is the little town of Cook Island. Oh, now I see a nice yellow lava. I was in there earlier, but I didn't see that yellow lava that's hanging up. It pays to look around, huh? It pays to look around. But knowing my impatience. Samoans like me in Cook Island. Yeah, they want to buy askelimi. I don't mind to buy askelimi, but if you're not a whāsaka, it's got a mouth all over you, all over your hands. So you got to be fast liquor. Yeah, okay. Yep, cow. Tātou wō. Kia so eskelimi. Ha? Yeah, they say eskelimi whare. No, eskelimi e maua I. Yeah, le pia ai. Wait, vai lá, vai que eu pôr lá. How's Nathan here? Where's Nathan? Oh. Did he come to do his shopping? Oh, jeez.
What's the wife's name?
Marion.
Yeah, Miriam saw us first. I don't know, Uncle.
She saw you guys. Oh.
Because you know us, you know me, blind.
Yeah, you are blind.
Came with the little one.
Yeah, okay guys, we're heading off home now because I've got to do my cooking today. I don't know where to buy anything good for our, we're having this lunch thing tomorrow, and I have no idea where I can buy a full cheesecake, full cake, or something to take for our lunch just to add in. I know we're invited to lunch, but it's always good to take something. You can't just walk empty-handed. I've never been that sort of person to walk empty-handed. It's like a bludgy or something. I don't know. Hey, other people can do it, but I can't. Anyway, gotta hop in the car because they're waiting. See you guys later. Hi guys. So we come back from our shopping today, And there's the lady that I had given her my earrings like yesterday. She turned up over here. I have no idea who told her where we were staying. And she wanted to give me these black pearls for giving her the earrings yesterday. But the thing is, we swapped earrings. I gave her my Samoan ones, and she turned up with these black pearls. She wanted to give me these black pearls, and she said she got a black pendant, but she was waiting for her niece to bring it over. But the weird thing is, how did she know where I live? Where did she know? How does she know where I'm staying? It's my burgers. Anyway, I got black pearl bracelet from her. That is the mystery. How she even knew where, we're staying. Anyway, my mama's having a rest over here. Yeah, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, so guys, I just wanted to tell you, just to finish off my video. Anyway, take care, and I'll be back in Australia about 2 days time. Then I'll get back with my mukbangs. Mukbang bang. Yeah. Oh, we stopped over and bought us some coconuts, some new. But it started raining just before I had to jump out, right? And then my hair go all pew pew. Anyway, okay. Yeah, all my video mo nga yaso. Yeah, fa Soifua. Take care. Good morning. So this is our second to last day here in Cook Island in Rarotonga. We're just heading back down to court just to finalize things, and then we're gonna head to the airport just to make sure that our flight's still on time, the right day. Because if we're flying out like tomorrow or Friday and it's wrong, we have to fly home by Kite. Okay, I'll see you guys later, okay? Maria, say hello.
Hello.
Ha? Okay. Someone wants to let the car drive on its own. Okay, see you guys later. Yeah, hi guys. You know what, we've been busy today, going back and forth in the land court, stuff like that. Whew, tell you what, too much mucking around. They get the work done, it's finished. But too much, go here, go there, go here, go there. It's confusion. Okay, almost there. I can't record around there. This is the old courtroom. Hey guys, we went today to have lunch at my sister-in-law's place, and it was lovely. We had poke, popo poke, ruko, cooked together with meat, nice Cook Island taro, and it was lovely. Oh yeah, and of course the potato mayonnaise made by them with love. So nice. And I didn't get my we have to go. And I didn't take my camera up, and I was a bit because I had people sitting on both sides, and I thought I can't bring my camera up now so I can record it. But I'll tell you, it was lovely. I ate it. I ate all my food. I had 2 servings, and the little misiluki banana? Yeah, they boiled that with skin. It was nice and chewy. It was nice. See, you guys missed out. You guys should come to Raro, and then I'll take you guys there so you guys can have some tea. See, miss out. Yeah, mea ngai maua, wailua. Yeah, see, makuwo. Yeah, fat. Too late now. So this driver, Oh yeah, and this is what my sister-in-law made me. Oh, see? Oh, you can't go out. No, you should have went to the roundabout and done the viewing. Oh, anyway. This guy can't drive. Not as good as me anyway. Okay, connect now. Go. Bye. See, that's how you drive. You just, once you see that cut, you just join in. Yeah. Okay. See you guys later. See, I got the headband and he got lay. A lay. Get a lay.
I got laid in Rarotonga.
You never get laid in Rarotonga. Look guys. Yeah, that's what he gets. My roll of my eyes. Okay, see you guys later. Oh yeah, and my mum got a lay too. Maria, say hello.
Hello?
She says hello like she's answering her phone. Okay, see you guys later.